this lecture we will explain you very important. You know that last time we discussed in the lecture 5 we explained you about this formula. Now we will use this formula. The question is what about this gamma 1 upon 2? This is the question. So here we will solve this problem. You know that we have this formula. So in this formula we will do something. If let we are just taking P is equal to Q is equal to 0, let we are just taking any value, because P and Q, these are the constant. If we just place it, then after that what will happen? Then this value, it will be 0 to pi by 2, and this is sine 0 theta and cos 0 theta d theta is equal to gamma. This is P is equal to 0, so this is 1 upon 2. Gamma Q is equal to 0, this is 1 upon 2 upon 2 gamma P plus P and Q both 0, 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. And already we have solved gamma 1 is equal to 1. So you are getting 1 upon 2 gamma 1 upon 2 whole square. We are getting this. So now you know that sine to the power 0 is equal to 1, cos to the power 0 is equal to 1. So you have to solve this one. So you are getting 0 to pi by 2. This is sine to the power 0 is equal to 1, cos to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is d theta. If we will solve this one, then you are getting theta 0 to pi by 2. If we will solve this one, then you are getting pi by 2. This is pi by 2 left side, and right side is this. So this is equal to this 1 upon 2 gamma 1 upon 2 whole square. This is whole square. So this and this cancel. So pi is equal to this 1 upon 2 whole square. It implies that gamma 1 upon 2 is equal to root pi. This question, it has come many times, and this is very important. Every time we will use it. So now we will discuss another question. Now this question, it has also come many times. How to solve such type of problems? Whenever you are just someone has given you integration. So the application is the beta gamma function. The application is whenever you are just solving any problem and you stuck how to solve. So you will use this function. This function, it will vary from 0 to infinite, and this function from 0 to 1, and both are related. You know that beta mn, it also related to this one. We have already solved it. You can see that the relationship between beta and gamma function we have solved. So now this question we are just solving. We will use this formula to solve such type of problem. So how to solve it? So you know that this is the cos theta. Cos theta means cos theta upon sin theta. So this is 0 to pi by 2. So this is cos, this is power 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 theta, and this is sin minus 1 upon 2 theta d theta. Now write in this way. You can see that this is equal to this. So it implies that gamma 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, and this is gamma minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. In place of P, we are using 1 upon 2. In place of Q, we are using minus 1 upon 2. Upon 2 gamma 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2. Solve it. Then you are getting 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 under 2 and 3. 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2, 2. 3 upon 2 upon 2. So you will get 3 upon 2 upon 2 is equal to, this is 3 upon 4. 2 under 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon 4. And this 2, both cancel. 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Gamma 1 is equal to 1. So you are getting 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, and this is 1 upon 4. So how to solve? Now just leave it. Everything cannot be solved, but this is the final answer. So now we will next lecture we will just solve many different problems. Thank you so much.